So let's get some screenshot of different pages, but before that I have to remove this debugger label because it will not look professional. I'm gonna make it false and it should go away. I have to restart also. Alright, now I can take some screenshots from home page, and then from detail page I will increase the quantity and the size. So now we have to create a one-page presentation that will contain all of these screenshots, and when we go to the coffee shop we should be able to explain the flow. These are the features. We have to make our presentation as easy, as clean as it can, because this is the most important part. How you present your product is very important. So to start, I'm gonna make the corners a little bit round because a rounded corner look more clean. This one looks more professional. Now I can download all of them as a zip. Alright, it's time to open Photoshop and use these screenshots to create a presentation for our application in a single page so that we can print it and go to a coffee shop and present our idea. So let's open Photoshop now. In Photoshop I choose A3 page and then make it landscape, and then I bring all the screenshots that I have. Then I change the background color for this A3 page. Notice that I don't choose too much dark color because if you print that in a paper it should not look weird. Then I aligned my screenshots in a proper way from the first screen to the last screen. And then write down some point-wise benefits to the customer so that it will catch their attention. It will also help us to present better. Although we will explain these points to the customer, but it is better to write them also. Adding a verified icon will strengthen these points more, and the customer will believe that it is something trustworthy. And also I've added the Play Store button, which is something which brings more trust to the customer, that you can find your application in the Play Store. And finally we can export this as a PNG and print it out for presentation.